make a fist with your hands and just make sure that your thumbs are on the outside. So then same position of your hands, so hands pushing down, trying not to let the shoulders drop forwards, keeping nice and straight, and then just pulling up with the fists. So what you're going to feel now is a stretch right around the back of the wrists and up into the back of the forearms. And again, just getting the idea of this first by just tensing in the ankles, knees, thighs, buttocks, abdomen, chest, pushing down with the backs of the wrists this time and really working to pulling up the fists. So you've got these forces working against each other, really feeling the stretch, trying to hold for 10 seconds, just breathing normally. And relax, closing the eyes and breathing into your abdomen.